Bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Cool Cool Cat, the Cool Cool Kitty. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a nice round of applause for the Scat Cat? All right. Here we go. All right. Is everybody having a good time here? All right. How you doing, Ray? I'm good. Okay. Are you going to show everybody what you do? Oh, you got that right. A one, a two, you know what to do. Are we going to do this? We're going to do it. All right. Here we go. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a Scat Cat and I got the grooves. Know all the songs that'll make you move. Gonna make you dance, gonna make you shout. Make your little thing what it's all about. Don't care if it's country or rock and roll. Just as long as you do it with soul. Do it with soul, oh yeah. How'd you get started? Well, I was just an alley cat, digging in cans, had enough of that. Then one night I heard the sound of that deep thought in Motown. It's then I decided what I wanted to do. That's one Scat singing, Cool Cool Kitty. Oh yeah, so what'd you do next? Well, I'd go listen every night to the band that played the music right. There was Ella Fitzgerald, Louie and James, Niles Davis, learned all their names. Well, that's a mouthful. Oh, you got that right. One night I was standing outside the door, but the band heard me, they hit the floor. Girls said, damn, did you listen to that? Never thought I would hear Cat Scat. So what happened then? People liked it? Oh yeah. People come from miles around to hear my funky Scat sound. We're into two and bigger hat. That's why they call me the Scat Cat. All right, Scat, show what you do. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Scat Cat, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Hey, you know what? That's really easy to do. Ray, you can do it too. No, I can't do it. Hey, you want to hear him do it? Yeah. All right, okay. Biba boop baba ziba zuba beep bop ba doop baba ziba. I don't know. Don't pick a day job. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been a wonderful audience. I gotta go. I hope you enjoyed the show. Whatever you do, do it so. Let's get that, everybody. Ortega, thank you so much. Have a great night.